Hello everyone! This is Sirine from Canon Middle East, and guess what? We are back with a new very special Creative Park episode where we are making paper crafts fun for everyone. It's summer season, and since it's very hot outside, together we will be doing a very fun summer activity at home using the Canon Creative Park. Did you know that the Canon Creative Park has a dedicated section for iron-on transfer? In this section, you can find many designs that you can easily print to create t-shirts and bags for you, your friends and family. The steps are very easy. All what you need to do is, first, choose the design that you like to create. Second, using the Canon Pixma printer and the iron-on transfer sheet, print the template, then allow at least few minutes for the ink to dry. By the way, there are two types of sheets, one for the colored material and one for the white material. Third, using scissors, cut out the image the way you want the final design to look on the t-shirt. Before you place the image on the top of the t-shirt, don't forget to remove the backing paper. Fourth, prepare a hard flat surface and heat the iron, then place the transfer sheet and the parchment paper. Start ironing in straight lines and in circles for at least 90 seconds. Finally, allow the image to cool and remove the parchment paper. And my t-shirt is now complete! And guess what? I have also created other designs like this, and this. Hope you enjoyed today's Creative Park activity. Check the Canon Creative Park summer section for more activities ideas to do at home, and stay tuned for the upcoming episodes. Bye bye!